everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Pretty excited about that. One thing I absolutely love is, like, I didn't have to pay for any of it. I didn't pay for any of my own money. What I do is I use the Flues app. Now, if you guys, I've told you this several times, but Flues is the best app to use for CVS. So what I end up doing is I buy a $10 gift card through the Flues app, and you get a voucher for $3.50. When you spend up to $10, it's like 35% cash back up to $10. So you get $3.50 back for cash back. So what happens is then I'll buy another gift card with another voucher, and I'll get another $3.50 back, but I'll use $3.50 of my credit. So it basically just keeps adding up, and it's basically just free money that you guys can do. If you guys haven't joined it, definitely click the referral link below. It's awesome. And then every time you get somebody to join, you guys will get another voucher. So let's just keep on going. But yeah, so I didn't pay for any of this of my own money. I just used the Flues credit that I had from my past purchases. So it was awesome, you guys. Like, she's like, you're gonna freeze the computer up, you're gonna freeze the computer up. I'm like, you know what, I haven't froze the computer up in a very, very long time. She's like, really? And I'm like, yeah, I don't remember the last time I froze the computer up. But I got a lot of stuff I was pretty excited for. Now, a lot of you guys really like it when we can get some diapers. So I was pretty excited for this deal. So the diapers are 2 for $20. There's currently a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. I also had a 3 off of 20 diapers, baby CRT. I also had a 3 off 15, but you can't use both unless you got like $45 worth of stuff. But then I also received a $4 any diapers CRT. And I'm like, yes. So I ended up paying, why did I write $10? Yeah, I ended up paying $10 for 2 packs of diapers, but then you guys will get $5 back when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $5 or just $2.50 a pack of diapers, which is awesome. My store had a ton of diapers. I've been seeing, like, people are freaking out. I had a couple of people, you know, message me, you know, where can you find diapers at? And, you know, I'm pretty happy with helping people. But, yeah, so got some good deals with some diapers. I have so much diapers, it's crazy. That's why you don't see me do a lot of diaper deals, because I have a lot of diapers. Like, when I was trying to get pregnant for 2.5 years, I stocked up on diapers. So, okay. Let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So the Irish Spring right now is $3.99. I used 3 75-cent off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I also had a 2 off of 8 Bodywash CRT. Hold on, you guys, my clipboard's just going everywhere. A 2 off of 8 Bodywash CRT, plus I received a 2 off of 3 Irish Springs body wash also. So I ended up buying 3 of those. I paid $5.72 for all 3 of these. I said 5, I meant 3. $5.72 for 3 of them, but I got $5 back in an extra care buck, making all 3 of them just 72 cents or just 24 cents a piece, which is awesome. I'm glad. I was going to do this deal at Walgreens, and I'm like, nope, it's a whole lot cheaper at CVS, so we're going to go ahead and do that. The next deal I did was the lady and the men's speed stick. Now these are currently $2.99. I had 50 cent off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I also had a $1 off of 2 speed stick CRT. So I ended up paying $3.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $1.49 and a $1.49 back of extra care bucks, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. Now if you guys also have a $1 any deodorant, that'll be free, but I used mine up last week. Yes, did the Dentine Ice Gum. Now these are currently 3 for $4. I had a $1 off of 3 digital coupon that I ended up using. So you guys have paid $3 for 3 of them, but then you guys will get a $1 back in an extra care buck, making them $2 or just 66 cents a piece. which I'm pretty excited for. So got myself some gum. I did the CoverGirl. Now the CoverGirl, this was $9.29. This was $6.49. I had a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. I also used a $3 off coupon and a $3 off coupon. So I paid $6.78 for the both of these. But then you guys will get $6 back in an extra care buck, making it 78 cents or just 39 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal for mascara. So I ended up doing that. Now I did the Baby Ruth deal. Now these are currently two for $2.22. I dropped them. I used the buy one get one free coupon. I did have problems with it at the register, but she wrote it in. So you guys would definitely pay $1.11 for this. But then you guys will get $1 back in an extra care buck, making it just 11 cents for 2 candy bars is a pretty good deal. And then I ended up also getting the Maybelline eyeshadow. I ended up using my digital one that I had last week, but these are $4.19. I used a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts. I only used one because it's a limit of one. I also had a $3 off coupon that printed from the red machine today, so I paid $4.38 for this. But then you guys will get $7 back in an extra care buck, making it $2.62 moneymaker. So loving that deal. I also got the Treseme. Now these are currently 2 for $10. I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I had. I also had a $2.50 off of 8 CRT for Treseme, and then I also used a 3 off of 2 of the coupon that's printing from the red machine. So you guys would just get these for $1.50 or just 75 cents a piece. So yeah, it is. Super busy at the store today. Like I'm usually a person who will wait, let people go ahead of me, but like the lines were just so crazy. I'm like, nope, I'm not gonna wait. They have like 3 people working. I don't have to wait. They can call another person up, and I know people behind me were just like eyeing me up, and I'm like, I'm sorry you guys, like I'm very helpful when it comes to, you know, letting people go in front of me, but you can only just do it so many times, and I wanted to just get it all done and over with because my husband's like, Jennifer, where are you? I'm hungry. I want lunch. So I'm bringing you lunch, Graham. Just relax. So I ended up getting the Crest mouthwash. Now these were $2.99. You guys want to use a digital 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our digital coupons today. You would pay $2.98 for this, but then you get $3 back in an extra care buck, making these absolutely free. I swear today I am just drowning in mouthwash. It is awesome, and I'm not complaining because it's awesome. So I did Colgate mouthwash. Now these were $3.99. I used 2 $2 off coupons that we got. I also had a $1 off of 5 mouthwash CRT. So I paid $2.98 for these. But then you guys will get a $1 extra care buck and a $1 extra care buck, making it just 98 cents or just 49 cents a piece. So I went ahead and did that. Now, I've been wanting to get Nexxus for a while, and I hate how they have like their shampoo like 15 bucks, but then they have their conditioner like $22, and I'm like, that's just ridiculous. And I think they do that because they want you to buy more than two when it comes to that stuff. But what I ended up having is I had a 10 off of 30 Nexxus CRT. Now the one that was from last week that I got to use for this week. Then I got another one today, but it was spend 40 get $10 off. No way, Jose. No way. But I ended up getting these. Now these ones are new. These are the Clean and Pure. One of them was $15.99. I think the shampoo was $15.99, and then the conditioner was $16.99. I can't remember. It might have been the other way around. But I used two $5 off coupons that we got in today's inserts, plus I had the 10 off of 30 CRT that I use. So I paid $12.98 for both of these. But then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making it just $2.98 or $1.49. And that is how much I will pay for shampoo and conditioner. That's just ridiculous, the markup that they have for this stuff, both at CVS and Walgreens. But you can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I think you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Yeah, it doesn't have the Unilever tag on here. But yeah, submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you guys will get points for that. And then I was excited to do the Nivea deal. Now the Nivea is $5.79. You guys want to buy two of them. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts last week. I also had a $2.25 off of 10 Lotion CRT. So I paid $5.33 for this. But then you guys would get a $5 extra care buck, making it just 33 cents. 33 cents for Lotion is a great, great deal. And it's nice. Not to just get, I feel like I've been getting Eucerin like crazy, so it's nice not to just get Eucerin, so I ended up doing that. So my grand total came to be 85 cents. 85 cents for everything. I ended up using $61 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $48 back, and I also received $13 of the Epic, whatever it was. I ended up getting $13 for that. But if you think about it, I only paid 85 cents for everything, which is awesome. I don't include my tax because everybody's tax is different. But I used my Flu's app to pay for pretty much all the tax, which was awesome. And then I just screenshot it and I have like $3 left on that, so I'll just save it for next week. So yeah. But yeah, I ended up receiving $48 back, and I will probably hit beauty because I got the Treseme, the CoverGirl, the Maybelline, I think the Nivea, the Nexxus, those all count towards beauty. So grand total technically came to $3.85. I got 26 items at just 53 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. Yeah, I mean, there's some stuff that I usually spend an hour or so in the store because I'm always trying to walk around and see if I can find other deals for you guys on that. But I did find some good deals, and I was pretty excited to share with you on that. I'm excited for the diaper deal because, like, I don't like paying for diapers. I like to get them as cheap as possible. I'm just so frugal when it comes to diapers. I just like to be as cheap as I can. But if you guys enjoyed this video, check out the Flu's app. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all next week. See you guys later. Bye-bye.